Hi everyone, I'm CEO from Online Help Guide, and in this video, I will show you how to download Snapchat on iPhone. Having Snapchat on your iPhone lets you connect with friends, share moments, and explore fun filters and stories. So, let's get started on how to download Snapchat on iPhone. First, open the App Store. Tap on the source icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. In the search bar at the top, type Snapchat and hit the search button. In the search results, you should see Snapchat listed usually at the top. Tap on it to open its details page. On the Apps details page, you will see a button that says Get or shows a cloud icon with an arrow. Tap on it. And this is how you can download Snapchat on iPhone. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss our upcoming videos.